Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your mobile has Google Authenticator installed and you can unlock it. Open Facebook on a browser. Sign into the account recovery flow if needed. Once done, go to Settings Security and Login, then find Two-Factor Authentication. Select Authenticator app, then choose to set up or transfer. This triggers a QR code or key. Note it. You do this so the Authenticator can generate the one-time codes Facebook expects during recovery. Now you link the apps. Open Google Authenticator, tap to add an account, then scan Facebook's QR code or paste the manual key. Once scanned, Authenticator shows a 6-digit code that refreshes about every 30 seconds. This proves the link. Enter the current code back on Facebook to verify. Expect immediate confirmation. Make sure to save the provided recovery codes or print them. These codes let you regain access if your phone is lost, so treat them like a backup key. Finish by using either the Authenticator 6-digit code or one of the saved recovery codes to complete the Facebook login and reset your password if needed. Once inside, add at least one secondary 2FA method, such as SMS or a second authenticator on another device. This prevents single points of failure. If something goes wrong, try your saved recovery codes first. If those fail, use Facebook's identity verification flow. Keep backups secure, because losing them can prolong recovery significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.